Kitty and Dragon Kitty Tidies Up by Meika Hashimoto, illustrated by Gillian Reed. Kitty and Dragon are friends. They live in a big cave. Kitty is neat. Dragon is messy. Kitty washes her dishes. Dragon leaves his dishes on the table. So Dragon is being really inconsiderate. Kitty sweeps up. Dragon tracks dirt all over the floor. Oh my goodness, you guys. You see all that dirt the dragon is dragging behind him? Look at this. Ugh. Kitty brushes her teeth carefully. Dragon gets toothpaste all over the mirror. Kitty does not look pleased. Kitty is tired of tidying up by herself. She has an idea. She leaves the cave and goes down the mountain. She walks over the hills, past the swamp, and through the forest. She reaches the potion shop. I wonder what she's going to get, you guys. Kitty goes into the shop. A wizard greets her. Kitty asks the wizard for a potion to make Dragon tidier. The wizard rolls up his sleeves. He takes out a big pot. He adds a dishcloth to the pot. He adds a broom, a dustpan, soap, and water. He chants a magical spell. The wizard pours the potion into a bottle. Sprinkle 3 drops of this tidying up potion onto Dragon every day, he says. Kitty returns to the cave. She is excited to try the potion on Dragon. Let's see if it works. Kitty tells Dragon that the potion will help him be less messy. Kitty sprinkles 3 drops of the potion onto Dragon. Suddenly, Dragon sees the dirty dishes. He sees the dirt on the floor. He sees the toothpaste on the mirror. He sees the awful mess. Dragon washes the dishes until they sparkle. He sweeps the floor again and again. Dragon polishes the bathroom mirror. He scrubs the tub. He wipes the sink. Kitty is happy. The cave is very clean. But then Dragon grabs Kitty's dishes before she finishes her lunch. Oh no, Kitty wasn't able to finish her lunch. Dragon sweeps all day. He is too busy sweeping to play with Kitty. Look at that. Kitty wants to play checkers, but Dragon is trying to tidy up. Kitty asks for the tidy up potion. At bedtime, Kitty brushes her teeth. Dragon cleans the mirror over and over again. That night, Kitty cannot sleep. She misses the old Dragon. Kitty gets up. She goes to the sink and she pours out the potion. She doesn't want the potion anymore, you guys. She misses her friend. The next morning, the potion has worn off. Dragon is messy again. Kitty gets another idea. Dragon, says Kitty, while I do the dishes, will you dry them? Look at that. So they're helping each other out. Kitty sweeps the floor. Dragon, says Kitty, will you hold the dustpan for me? Look at that. Teamwork, you guys. Teamwork. Dragon, says Kitty. If I clean the sink and the tub, will you wipe the mirror? Dragon wipes the mirror. Kitty and Dragon clean the cave together. It is quick. It is fun. When they are done, they still have time to play. Awesome. Kitty is glad that the cave is clean and Dragon is back to his old self. The end. All right, thank you guys for joining me tonight for the book Kitty and Dragon, Kitty Tidies Up. If you like this book, please be sure to like and subscribe. Please be sure to comment down below on what your favorite part of this book was. I look forward to reading to you guys tomorrow night for bedtime. Enjoy your night.